So okay guys, let me congratulate you for downloading Scratch on your system. So we'll be working on something today. We'll be working on how to make our card say hello world. As simple as that, which is the basics of all programming language. Once you start any programming, the first thing you do is you write hello world. So before that, let me just explain what is here. This is the name of the sprite. You can actually change the name to cards. Like you can change the name of any sprite you wish, then it changes to cards here. I hope you can see this. And this is a way of making something visible or invincible. Now currently it's visible, but once I click this, it becomes invincible. So let's say you want to work on something else and you want it to be invisible, then you can do that, but we don't need that now. So this size, you can actually change the size maybe to 80. You can see you can change the size to anything you want. And the direction, this X talks about, I'm sure most of us have one way or the other plotted graph. So when you put it here, it measures the coordinates X and Y. So we'll get to know more about that very soon. So the direction talks about the angle. Let's say you want it 180, it rolls to 180. Can you see that? So well, we don't need that right now. We don't need that. So let's return it to 90. So since that is explained, let's work on this. So the first event I would like to talk about is the when green flag clicked event. Now events, when an event happens, something happens with the event. Once an event is clicked, something happens. Something happens with events. Those of you that are familiar with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, you notice that in JavaScript, when an event is clicked, something actually happens. So in this case, something will happen too. So when this green flag clicked, we want whatever is under it to display. So in this case, we want hello world to display. So you go to looks, then you carry, let me zoom this in. So when green flag clicked, we want to say hello world. So you change it to hello is already there, then you can add world. Okay, so with that done, so hopefully our card should be able to say hello world, hello world. So once you click the green flag, the card says hello world. So it's as simple as that. Let's say you want the card to say it just for 2 seconds. You simply tell the card hello world for 2 seconds. So hello world. Then it stops. Can you see that? So it's as if you are timing it. So in our next tutorial, we will go more deeper and work with so many blocks. So just tune in. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to click on subscribe button and click the notification bell to get more of this. Thank you.